All are doing very well. So in this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important thing. If you are into the domain of Salesforce and you are working as a Salesforce tester, and your company or your client has suggested you to use AccelQ as a tool, and you don't have any idea about that part, and you are also in a situation where you just have to do the POC, but you don't know from where you have to start. Other than that, if you are already using the Excel queue and you don't have any idea about the community part, the academy part, the certification guide, so this is the right video for you. So in this video, I'm going to explain each and everything about the Excel queue Academy. So I have shared my screen as well. So what you have to do, you just have to enter here, that is Excel queue Academy. Once you will click on the Excel queue Academy, at that point in time, multiple options will be visible to you like this. So which includes so many things. It includes product guide, community, and many more. So now what you have to do, you just have to click on AccelQ Academy certification link. At that point in time, once you will click on that link, basically this is all about showing your skills or execute your skills and get certified. So basically in this link, there are close to 3 to 4 different type of certification, and it is, you can say that, for example, I can guide you from here as well. That is, once you will click on the Academy, AccelQ Academy button over there, at that point in time, this is a comprehensive product guide if you are using AccelQ Manual, AccelQ Automate, and AccelQ API. So basically, these are the product guide for all those individuals who are actually looking forward in order to do a POC in their project in order to automate anything. For example, if you don't have any idea about what is AccelQ, you can click on that link and learn more about what is AccelQ, how AccelQ is actually going to help you in order to solve your problem. These are the full fledged detailed language about each and everything. For example, like in Salesforce, we have Trailhead. In Trailhead, we have badges. But here we don't have as such badges, but just a product guide in order to make sure once you are doing POC or once you are learning from your side, at that point in time, you have some good stuff in your hand that you can explain to your client, you can explain to your manager, like what you have actually done during the POC part as well. Other than that, if I will click on the AccelQ manual, at that point in time, you can check each and everything about AccelQ app variants, guide to scalable enterprise environments, what is data list, and many more. Now, if I'm talking about the AccelQ API part, it includes everything which is related to the API testing part, Salesforce API, because you know that in order to automate anything in the Salesforce, just because of the releases part, sometimes it is nearly impossible to automate during the open source part just because of the shadow DOM and many things. So at that point in time, this tool will actually going to help you in order to automate your task in a very simple and perfect way. Other than that, once this is the guide that I have shared it with you. Once you will click on the guide part, at that point in time, it will redirect it to the product guide, like what is AccelQ and so many things. Now, if I will go back to that link again, at that point in time, there are multiple options are actually visible to me. Like this is related to AccelQ Academy. And at that point in time, we have one option of certification as well. Once you will click on the certification part, at that point in time, we have certified AccelQ automation engineer, where duration is close to 45 minutes. And before you directly jump into that part, at that before that, you must have a very basic knowledge about, or your concept should be very handy as per your experience as well. There are close to two different certifications as of now are visible to you. First one is a certified AccelQ automation engineer, and the second one is certified AccelQ automation expert. Now, from where you have to learn before you directly jump into the test, this is the main question. At that point in time, there are so many things. For example, if you can check it out, the learning videos, you can open this in the new link. At that point in time, you will redirect it to their Q community. Q community, basically, it's an AccelQ community where all the stuff related to the QA and all, it should be visible to you. At that point in time, if you don't have any account, you can't be able to proceed further. So for that purpose, you must have an account on AccelQ, then only you can proceed further. Moving forward, for example, if you are looking forward to learn about automation guide, manual guide, and API guide, these are the quick links that that you can open on your laptop while clicking on the open in the new tab. At that point in time, there are close to 10 to 15 different types of modules are already present. One by one, once you complete, and you can click on the next button, and then you can proceed further. Once you will complete all those things, close to 15 different topics are there. Then after that, it's my personal experience, then you can jump into the take the test part and do your certification, and you can post it about on your LinkedIn profile and tagging AccelQ as well. I am personally using AccelQ in my project, so I know that how it is actually work, and it is working very fine for a few of my projects. So I am sharing from my experience as well, and looking forward to connecting with you all. And so many stuffs just on the way. So it's my humble request to please be there and enjoying the Salesforce testing tutorial series as well. So this is the video for all of you who don't have any idea about the automation tool knowledge, who don't have any automation idea about how to do the POC, who don't know have any idea about the certification part. So this is the best resource for you that I have shared in this video. Till then.